Hi guys, hi ladies, it's Onome Maureen here. Some people were asking me via email saying, are people still buying during this pandemic, during this lockdown? Is the affiliate online business still working during this pandemic? Well, I just want to log on to my email to show you my email alerts of payment and proof that people are actually buying during this pandemic and during this lockdown. So you can see this an email I received from Expertnaire. It says you just made a successful order. Look at the date, April 23rd. Here's another one, April 23rd. I'm just going to scroll down gently so that you can see that people are actually buying even during the pandemic. This is March 20th, March 16th, 15th, 14th, 13th, 12th. You can see that almost every day during the pandemic, people were buying. People are buying things online. People are buying online courses online. And all you need to do is to position yourself as the middleman, as an affiliate, connecting people who want to improve their lives during the pandemic, who want to improve their lives during this time of lockdown, or during this time that many people are working from home, that many people have lost their jobs. You can connect them and you get paid as high as 50% to 80% commission. This is something that is working for me. I'm a lady. I do other things in my life. I told you I'm an MSc student. I'm studying. As at the time of making this video, I have my family to take care of. I even work because my studying involves me working internship. So I'm doing all of this very, very busy, and I'm still making sales. I don't talk to anybody on the phone. In fact, you don't have my phone number. Some people send me an email. They say, oh, I would like to get your phone number. See, I'm actually a really busy person. So the only way you can get my phone number to chat with me or to connect with me is if you are my paid students. Then you join my WhatsApp mentoring group. I'll guide you on your affiliate business, because I've been doing this thing for 10 months now. 10 months, every single Friday. In the last 10 months, I get paid a 6-figure income. Okay, I get paid 90,000 a day, 100,000 a day, every week. Every week, this thing is coming. So if it is working for me, it means that there's something I'm doing right. And if you've tried to start up your online business before and it didn't work for you, it means that there's something you are not doing right. So let us rub minds together. Let me mentor you. Let me coach you if you are winning. So go ahead and get your copy of this affiliate online business in the email where you got this video from, or look in the description box below this video. You're going to see details on how you can get started. And it's only if you buy through my own link that I get to mentor you. Okay, so go on, and I'll look forward to coaching and mentoring you all. Bye then.